Alright, Zoms TV Media with Mr. Frank of BYD Bacoor.
Hi everyone, and I'm inviting you to visit our showroom at BYD Cars Bacoor. It is located in Molino Boulevard in Bacoor, Cavite. So maganda makapag-visit kayo doon. So you might want to test drive and check some of our units. Mas personally nyo siya mas ma-appreciate talaga kapag nag-visit kayo. So I'll see you guys there, and I'd be happy to assist.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Alright, Zoms TV Media, we just arrived here at Alabang Town Center with Mr. Car Hobby and Carbon Media Team. Here at the BYD launching of their Ocean
Series. Alam ko yung Sea Lion.
Sea Lion, okay. So it's pretty much, this is the launching of BYD's new units that you wanna check it out. Here's the video. Ano na?
Linilis na ni Mikey Carbonell yung sasakyan niya. Ano ginawa mo? C5, no? Sa month end daw lalabas. Antayan niya na lang.
Oo naman, mayaman tayo eh. I wish.
White pearl daw kukunin niya, ganun, no?
Ayan guys, so
Tandaan niya, month end lalabas na yung kotse ni Mikey. Ang ahente niya, si Frank. Sir,
Ahente ako ng
BYD
gastos.
Bacoor.
Chocolate na lang ayaw ko dito after. Okay, so that's
oh guys, you heard it ha. Lalabas na yung kotse ni Tito Mikey. Na ano?
Guys, videos, may yun ang parte-parte mo.
bawal tatlapin yun. Bawal ka, no katay. It's a dedicated race car.
Race car.
Sa suspension.
Laki supercharger. Laki supercharger.
Alright guys,
That's
of
right.
course with Carbon Media, we're going to test drive the new Sea Lion 5. Of course, with Sir Patrick and of course Sir John Eric Barrera. And of course with Sir Frank of BYD Bacoor. So if you're interested with BYD, check out their page at BYD Bacoor. Now we're going to do a test drive. Sir Pat, let's go. Say hi. Do you like the car?
You go around, you sit on the driver's seat, I'll take a picture of you.
And sit down here.
You sit here, you go around.
Guys, may model si Car Hobby. Ayan o.
Pretend like you're driving. Like you're driving. Alright.
Shout out kay Mami. Proud mom. say hi.
Take it home.
Take it home. How was it? Okay? Nice? Very nice.
You like the car?
Okay, thank you. Sir Frank, thank you very much. Tag-ulan.
BYD Gachi.
Guys, alright guys, we're going to do a test drive of what? Anong kotse yan, Sir Frank?
Seal Performance.
Seal Performance. Alright. We're very thankful talaga to Carbon Media for inviting us, Joms TV Media, and of course Sir Frank of BYD Bacoor. So if you want to check out some of their cars, contact Mr.
Visit us. Showroom.
Showroom. Alright. Okay. Oh guys, let's go.
Sir.
Ang ganda.
For test drive.
But guys, this is what we're going to test drive. BYD.
Let's go.
Damn! Very nice.
Drives first.
Solid.
Go on the wits.
So Sir Frank, this is a plug-in hybrid.
Yeah, no. Full electric.
Full electric.
Full electric.
Okay. Of course, with guys, we're going to go inside. Grabe, ang ganda ng bucket seat.
Kasa tayo.
Si Patrick yung...
Ang iwan. Rick, ikaw muna mag-video.
Okay, naka-panoramic roof.
Pero pwede mo i-charge. Mamamatay na ito. Yeah, right. 9.
The BYD Seal Performance. So, saan tayo dadaan po yan? Straight.
Nasa pick-up location na yung yung sasakay mo. Pakit-check yung queuing number.
Social.
Guys,
Panoramic roof. Mahal sa hotel just yan.
Okay, Sir Frank, tell us about this car.
Actually, at the top of the line natin for the sedan. So, performance car siya actually. It's a full EV. Unlike the Seal 5. It's a BMI. So, more of nasa performance side talaga.
Teka, sedan?
Nexus. Parang F-Sport.
Kanan.
Ano ang target competitor niya?
Ngayon, sa... Actually, hindi siya direct kasi full EV siya. More of nasa mga petrol pa rin yung kalaban.
Pero like for example, target niya like
Market?
M3 ba? Kung performance variant siya?
Sa price range?
STI or something like that? Price range, definitely mas mura to.
Oo, less than 3M lang.
Yes.
So, less than 3M.
Less na.
I don't think you'll get a performance car
For that price.
for that amount of money, no? Not a lot. Pero
Guys, check out the seat to.
Bobombahan ko ba to?
Para sa bucket seat.
sino ba yan? Sino ba yan?
Bobombahan ko ba yan?
Pag binaba mo yung bintana mo, sisigaw ako, bomba!
This is what I like about electric. Yung torque niya agad,
Instant, no?
instant eh.
Guys, yung naririnig yun yun. Ano yun? That's the seatbelt indicator.
Lahat daw ng
Pati yung
parts
likod.
except for glass and tires, lahat daw BYD.
Yes.
So
Grabe,
pati
galing.
suspension is done by
BYD. Kaya pala, yung ating train, yung dinrive
Ganda rin.
ko,
Guys, ang lakas makayaman nito.
Parang nasa Cloud9.
Oo, tsaka buo. Hanggang likod.
Oo, hanggang likod. Guys, so tinan nyo.
Yung aquarium.
Oo.
Hindi ba to ano? Smoke glass na to? Out
Parang
casa?
privacy yung...
Alright. Hindi siya yung nako-control yung...
Hindi.
Hindi siya nako-frost or anything. So ganito na to, wala lang tint to.
Yes, pero by choice pwede naman siya ipatin before
Para
i-release.
darker.
Tapos may speaker dito, may speaker doon. Sounds at may speaker yata sa likod.
Soft touch yung ilaw.
Yes, parang airplane. Ano niya? Check
Sa
this
lahat
out.
na
See?
mapipili ko, ito gusto ko.
Alright.
The best feature eh.
Galing.
Tinatapik lang. Noong una hinahanap ko kasi is paano i-on yung ilaw, tinatapik lang pala.
Soft touch yun.
Grabe, ang ganda.
Kamusta steering feel, Mike? Magaan?
Ganda. Gan.
Super gaan. Siyempre, yung throttle response instant na.
Instant, yes.
Ganda siya.
Although, ayan, Seal Sports to, di ba?
Seal performance.
Seal Performance. It still feels like a luxury sedan when it comes to the suspension and steering feel. So tayo kasi sanay tayo sa typical ng mga performance cars na maingay, ramdam mo katagtag.
Kumakalampag.
This one's different. So ito agad ang instant reaction ko for the car.
You both have the performance and the luxury at the same time. Tapos yung installation lang ang babayaran. That will be done by an outside party or by the dealer itself?
Accredited
By the dealer. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
So guys, kung naalala nyo nung bata tayo, may bump car nung araw. Parang ganito yun. Kasi electric driven, di ba?
Your turn.
The best thing I like about it yung hindi ka mapapagod while driving. Walang fatigue eh. Walang vibration no? Road noise lang maririnig mo talaga.
Wait lang.
Kasi yun lang talaga.
Engine.
Okay.
Electric motor lang.
It's Eric driving now. So take it easy, bro.
Car hobby naman.
Sport mode.
Asan yung sport mode? Yun lang. Asan yun?
Hindi mo kailangan mag-sport mode traffic.
Sige, wag na. Dami ni Mikey.
Hindi mo kailangan mag-sport mode traffic.
Ayaw mo nun, yung may torque steer.
Diretso lang mo.
Kasi sa napansin ko, medyo average malalaki ko. Tingnan lang po.
Sarap.
Ang tulin no.
Babaon ka talaga sa upuan.
In 200 meters,
Guys, promise. Hindi ko alam kung anong ilang G-force na.
Panoramic roof.
Kung ilang G-force na produce nun.
Oh, karirahin ko na ba ito R8?
Teka lang. May humamon yata eh. Wait lang.
Kaya yan! Nasa service road lang naman tayo.
Waiting lang ng update.
Mike, so pogi daw siya. Oh.
Sino may sabi?
Ayan o.
Baka naman, pogi naman talaga siya eh.
Pogi talaga yan.
Pag bumili ako ng BYD ko, naka-plaka pangit. Para pagbaba ko, di na sila mag-expect na pogi. Pagbaba ko, ano?
Basta iba yung pogi sa malakas ng dating ha.
Labas
Clear.
Oo.
tumitigil pala yun.
Tapos in terms of yung brake nito, may ano rin siya? Sariling magbe-brake din siya? In just in case?
ADAS kung tawagin, yung parang assistive driving system niya. More of siya eh, pag naka-cruise control, adaptive naman yung cruise
Adaptive
control.
yan. Meron siyang
Stop and go.
camera din, parang eyesight.
Yes.
So, safety sense.
red light camera
So,
reporting
nag-a-adjust
ahead.
yung cruise control mo kung
In
depende sa
200
traffic.
meters,
Tangin yung waist ko nakabukas.
and then
Sige,
200 meters,
Shoutout sa Waze.
Shoutout nga pala kay
Baka naman.
turn left.
Tapos ang
200
ganda ng steering niya, ganun yun. Kasi
Gaan,
ano siya,
pare.
flat
Tsaka
bottom
yung
na
talbog
sporty.
nung suspension, hindi yung aggressive.
Oo.
Iaalo niya yung
Chill, no?
suspension. Sarap.
Ano to sir? Electronic din ang ang suspension?
Yeah. Sir?
Electronic din ang suspension?
Yes, kasi nag-adjust din sir, depende sa drive mode.
Okay.
Pag naka-sport mode actually, mas mag-stiff siya.
Alright.
Parang FL5 bro. Pag naka-R+.
So guys, dream car natin.
So yung
FL5.
stiffness
Drive
ng
car mo ba?
suspension na depende
Nakadrive
sa
na ako.
sport mode.
Ano din eh.
Yung stiffness ng suspension nakadepende sa sports.
Sa drive mode.
Drive
Yes.
mode pala, drive mode.
Kanan. Alright. Teka lang, eto na. May flat out dito eh. Guys, parang roller coaster. Parang, okay. I-describe ko.
No,
Para siyang ano,
Yung
take
lahat
off
ng
ng
roller
eroplano. Ganun yung feeling.
Na-overlap na yung Sea Lion 5.
Guys, na-overlap na natin yung isang nag-test drive pa dun. Oh.
Well,
Grabe.
grabe tong coaching.
Tito Mikey, sobrang thank you sa experience
mode
na to.
yun eh.
Eco mode. Actually,
It's nice, di ba?
Di ba naka-sport mode yun?
Di ba naka-sport mode
Di ba
yun?
naka-sport mode?
Eco lang.
Eco lang yun?
That's eco mode.
Pag naka-sport mode, sir, magbe-burnout siya. Kasi
Oh,
sobrang
shit.
lakas ng torque niya.
Pero ito, front wheel drive or
All-wheel.
all-wheel drive pa?
Si Ato, ba, front?
okay.
Front. Pero yung dalawa kasing variant to, sir, we have the Seal Advance and the Seal Performance. Yung Seal Advance, yun yung rear wheel naman yun. Kaya sarap nung pwede pa drift yun.
Okay.
So, ito, all-wheel drive siya.
Sabi ko familiar yung feel for all-wheel drive siya.
I haven't tried pa yung rear wheel drive na Seal. Pero
Pero
mukhang
nakakatakot yun.
masarap pagka
Limit
binaon mo yun.
Kailangan ano ka doon.
Hindi, si Frank kasi nag-ano na eh.
Nag-drift na.
Yan eh.
Hindi, pero kung ibibigay mo kasi yung gano'n na
Medyo
rear wheel
malakas.
drive sa unskilled driver,
Yes.
medyo nakakatakot.
Especially pag umuulan.
Yes.
Grabe.
Hirap yun.
Pag
Mas magiging kampante ako rito.
all wheel, oh.
Tayo naman kasi, we promote road safety tsaka defensive driving. Kung unskilled yung driver, ang hirap. Nakakapraning
Saan ang pasok natin?
magpahawak ng mga ganong klaseng klase na drivetrain doon sa
Rear wheel drive.
Pero I'm pretty sure naman may traction control.
Meron.
Yes, I'm pretty sure.
Ganda nung seat.
Yeah, the car is too smart not to make a dumbass driver
Yeah.
Lumabas.
drive na, ano yun, mas matalino siya sa'yo.
Opo, opo.
Huwag mo naman pinahan yung bike. Pinahan mo ng pina. Kung pina konti lang pa yung kailang pina talaga. Hindi. Joke lang.
Lalo ko
Joke lang. Joke lang.
Kanina ni Makoy Dabsing yun sa BYD. Bakla yung driver.
Shout out kay Makoy Dubs.
Siya yun eh.
Bakla yung driver.
Basta yung driver.
Nakita ko rin, may nag-comment din sa post.
Oo, yun na.
BYD.
Mga
Very generative braking system da.
Yes, meron din.
All four wheels, no?
Balik mo na, kawawa si Patrick.
Tsaka may diagram din dyan, sir, sa gauge kung ano siya.
Ako nag-charge
Oo.
ulit eh. Alright. So sa downhill nito, ang tipid nito.
Kita mo yung onboard namin ni Eric doon sa torque nung atom na.
Natawa nga ako.
Makaskas gayong ko.
Tsaka yung mukha yun.
Nilalabanan niya pa. Ayaw eh.
Yes, po.
Dito tayo pakato.
Pero may
Ito
Guys, yung reaction nila. Oh.
Balilig
in the
nila
near
sa
future, mapalenood sa atin ng performance.
Ano ba yung leg nila?
natin to.
Pag ginawa ko yung gano'n kay Eric, tignan natin ng wow!
Tapos ano, dali na sa truck. sa truck.
Sa truck. Ito ang dadaling ko sa truck.
Wow, putang ina.
Negligence eh, sa insurance ba?
Hindi, kung magkano sa truck, behave lang.
Oo, Beyblade.
paikutin ko na lang muna.
Mawawala-walin. At the end of the day, di ating to eh.
Depende ko bubunin seal. Thank you.
Ano, nag-enjoy ka naman nakasama mo kami. Ang namin.
Mapanood na
Thank
yan,
you.
sir.
Anong channel?
Alam mo kami, Carbon Media, kuya.
Carbon Media.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, kuya.
Tsaka Joms TV Media. Alright guys, we just did a test drive with this BYD Seal.
How's the experience?
How's the experience dito,
We're
Mikey?
done with the test drive. Wow, it was really fun. Check out the BYD Seal performance. Performance talaga. Feels like you're driving a sports car.
Correct.
This one.
Yeah,
Ayan. Nice.
very nice. Pati yung design, no, Tito
And
Mikey?
it's all-wheel drive.
Pati yung design, maganda, no?
Yeah. Feels like you're driving a European car.
Sobrang ganda. Nag-enjoy ako sa test drive.
So we just have our test drive.
Ano masabi mo?
Ha?
What can you say about the BYD Seal?
Alam mo, maganda lang sa mga EV kasi. Tapos yung price point kasi niya. So, yung ibang brands na naka-petrol, hindi sila pwede masyadong magtaas kasi everybody will just opt to buy the oil. So, they're making the market more competitive. Pero price-wise, best bang for buck, bro.
Pwede na, no?
Andun na lahat eh. Yung tinakbo natin kanina, hindi pa sport mode yun. Naka-eco mode pa yun ah.
Hindi pa sa sport mode, pero grabe. Parang ang take-off ng aeroplano.
Ang sport mode daw, kumakaskas pa ang gulo. All-wheel driver ah. Para ikaskas mo yung gulo sa all-wheel drive. That's, I don't know, just a reference. Parang Evo territory.
Tama.
Right?
From a racer
Di ba?
perspective.
Evo territory yun.
Ito naman, this is a Seal 5? Seal 5.
Still 5.
So this is the Seal 5 naman.
So that to standard.
So this is, ito na yung standard na kotse. Oh, okay.